Alright guys, so if you're looking for a slice of paradise, then Costa Pointe in Vero Beach is more than just a neighborhood. It's a coastal resort-style retreat designed for the Florida lifestyle. So with the beach just minutes away and thoughtfully crafted homes that fit the way that you live, this community brings the perfect blend of relaxation and style. So let's go ahead and take a closer look right now. Alrighty guys, so here's the game plan for today. First, we're going to be touring 3 stunning model homes, the Compass, the Mystique, and the Stellar. Then we're going to take a quick look at some of the other home options that you could choose from here. And then after that, we're going to talk about what makes Costa Pointe's location so perfect, from the beach to all the nearby attractions. And of course, we're also going to be checking out the community perks that make life here so effortless. So if it sounds good, let's go ahead and dive in right now. All right, so we're kicking things off with the Compass model, the smallest single family home here at Costa Pointe, and it's a great option for downsizers, first-time home buyers, or anyone looking for a cozy, low-maintenance space. So ready to see it for yourself? Let's go ahead and check it out right now. The Compass model starts at $494,990 and offers 1,471 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. So it features 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. There's even an optional flex room that you can customize as an office or an extra bedroom. The open concept layout is perfect for entertaining, with a spacious kitchen and an oversized island that's practically begging for a charcuterie board. And don't forget that covered lanai. It's a perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind after a long day. Alrighty guys, next up we have the Mystique model, and it's a bit larger than the Compass that we just saw, with the flexible design options to fit just about any lifestyle. So let's go ahead inside and take a look. The Mystique model starts at $549,990 and offers 1,889 square feet of flexible living space. So with options for 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and even a 2 or 3 car garage, this home can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. So the large gathering room is filled with natural light, making it the heart of the home. And the owner's suite is a true retreat, featuring a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. And just like the Compass, there is a covered lanai, but this one comes with the option for sliding doors to bring the outdoors in. And last but certainly not least, we've got the Stellar model, and this is the largest home that we're going to be touring today, packed with features that are perfect for hosting, relaxing, and everything in between. So let's go ahead and step inside and check it out. So now moving on to the Stellar model, this one starts at $717,990 and is the largest home that we are touring today with 2,483 square feet of impressive living space. It offers 3 to 4 bathrooms. It offers 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4.5 bathrooms, and a spacious 3-car garage. And the expansive great room and dining area make this home an entertainer's dream. The gourmet kitchen features a massive island that's perfect for prepping meals or gathering with friends or family. The owner suite is pure luxury with spa-like bath and walk-in closet that will make organizing a breeze. And of course, there's that covered lanai again, with the option to add an outdoor kitchen for the ultimate alfresco dining. All right, so if you're loving what you're seeing so far, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more updates on Florida living. So it's gonna be the easiest way to stay in the loop on all the best communities and the homes that are here. So got questions? Then drop them down in the comments below, or just let me know what features that you're loving the most about these model homes. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you're ready to learn more about Costa Pointe, or you just want to tour it in person, then feel free to reach out. My contact information is going to be right here on the screen and also in the description below. Plus, you guys can visit my website, which is fleastcoast.com, for access to my MLS and to stay up to date on all the latest listings. Now, let's go ahead and jump back into the video and talk about what the additional model home options are in Costa Pointe. Now guys, in addition to the models that we've already toured, Costa Pointe also offers a variety of thoughtfully designed homes to suit different lifestyles and preferences. So let's go ahead and break down some of the other options available in this beautiful community right now. First up, we've got the Colton, which is part of the Villa series, and it's a cozy and efficient option starting at $359,990 with over 1,322 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. And it's perfect for those seeking that low maintenance living without compromising on style. It features an open floor plan, a modern kitchen, and spacious covered lanai, and it's great for relaxing or entertaining. Next up, we've got the Contour from the Garden series, and this one offers a bit more space at 1,405 square feet. It's not a villa. It starts at $456,990, and this home includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. And it's designed for entertaining with an open layout, a private owner suite with a walk-in closet, and a versatile flex room to customize as you like. And for those who need even more room, the Hallmark, also in the Garden series, is a fantastic choice starting at $484,990. It spans 1,655 square feet, offers 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. garage with the cohesive gathering areas, a cook's kitchen, and a covered lanai. And this home strikes the perfect balance between that functionality and that comfort. Now, moving on to the classic series, we've got the Prosperity and the Prestige models. They offer elevated designs and the larger footprints, and the Prosperity starts at $484,990, offering 1,670 square feet with 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a spacious gathering room filled with natural light. Meanwhile, while the Prestige, starting at $509,990, spans 2,080 square feet and includes luxurious features like a spacious owner's suite with a walk-in closet, an open concept living area, and a modern kitchen. And finally, guys, for those looking for the ultimate in luxury, the Stardom from the Estate series starts at $694,990 and boasts 2,269 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. So this one has options for 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2 or 3 car garage. And this home is designed for effortless entertaining, featuring a cook's kitchen, connected gathering areas, and stunning owner's suite. And keep in mind, pricing and availability can change. So for the latest details, then be sure to check out the Costa Pointe website or just reach out to me directly. Now that we've explored the homes, let's go ahead and talk about what makes this location so special, from the stunning beaches to the vibrant nearby attractions. And there's just so much to love about life here in Vero Beach. So let's dive into that right now. Now, one of the standout features of Costa Pointe is its unbeatable location, perfectly situated to give you the best of everything that Vero Beach has to offer. So you're only 6 minutes away from the beautiful beaches and only 7 minutes from downtown Vero Beach. So this is where you can go and enjoy the charming local shops, fantastic dining options, and a laid-back small town atmosphere. And for commuters or road trippers, the community is less than a mile away, just right up the road from US 1 and just 10 minutes away from I-95, making it easy to go and get wherever you need to go. Looking for nearby attractions, then Costa Pointe has just 15 minutes away from Disney's Vero Beach Resort and the Vero Beach Outlets, perfect for a fun day trip or some retail therapy. And nature lovers out there will appreciate being only 22 minutes away from the Pelican Island National Refuge, where you can explore Florida's incredible biodiversity. And healthcare access is another big plus, with Cleveland Clinic just 5 minutes away, offering top-tier medical care right in your backyard. So with so much to do and see, Costa Pointe truly embraces the best of both worlds. Quiet, coastal living with everything you need close by. Now that you've seen why the location is such a draw, let's go ahead and take a closer look at what the neighborhood itself has to offer. From the amenities to the thoughtful layout, Costa Pointe is all about enhancing your lifestyle. Now, Costa Pointe is more than just a collection of beautiful homes. It's a community designed to bring people together and elevate your lifestyle. So let's talk about what makes this neighborhood so special. So guys, at the heart of this community is a 3,300 plus square foot clubhouse, and this stunning space includes a community room and a catering kitchen, perfect for hosting events or just getting to know your neighbors. And outside, you're gonna find a resort style pool with a shaded sun shelf and an outdoor veranda, ideal for soaking up the Florida sunshine or cooling off on those warm afternoons. And if staying active is your thing, then you'll love the state-of-the-art fitness center, which is going to have just everything that you need to stay in shape without having to leave the neighborhood. And when it's time for some fun, then just head on over to the pickleball courts, the cornhole area, or the barbecue stations for a relaxed hangout with friends or family. Now, the homes themselves are designed to reflect the beauty of their surroundings with coastal-inspired architecture and options for Lakeview homesites that offer a serene backdrop for your daily life. Also, plus, with only 202 homes planned, then Costa Pointe is going to maintain an extra exclusive, close-knit community feel that's hard to get these days with all these master plan communities going on. And with all these incredible features, Costa Pointe truly has something for everyone. But the best way to experience it is just to see it for yourself. So feel free to reach out. My contact information is right here on the screen and in the description below. And don't forget to visit my website, which is fleastcoast.com, for access to the MLS and the latest listings coming across the Florida's East Coast. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the ball and hit the bell so you never miss on future updates about Florida living. So thanks so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.